how frothy it is.
Dude, we have a stomach ache.
What are you doing on my channel? This year is my mission. So underrated. It's just gonna make your day 10 times better.
Easy as pie, lemon, apple, or cherry.
Cause I've been on the road, I quit acting like you've been with me this whole time. Cause I've been on the road, I quit acting like you've been with me this whole time. Yeah, they bet on my fall, and I'm only 24, but bitch, I've been through it all. I got so many hits, can't remember them all. While I'm taking a shit, look at the plaques on the wall. Y'all just sit back, get your kick back, keep on acting like you did that. Got no respect for nobody who's just faking love. Slowing me up, get the fuck out my face, can you stop blowing me up? Cause my time is expensive, 1 million set list. Bought a new car for you, woke up for breakfast, yeah. Cause they ain't never seen me fall under pressure. They ain't never ever seen me fall, nah, never. Always keep one up on them cause I'm too clever. I will never ever sell my soul, nah, never. Cause I've been on the road, I quit acting like you've been with me this whole time. Cause I've been on the road, where you been? When it was time to do some work and put it in. I just be laughing when I see them, look at them.
Hi everyone, happy Wednesday. I've just got back from the gym. I did a back session. I filmed a little bit for you. I didn't film like the whole workout because I don't know actually why, but because I feel like sometimes I'm afraid like you get bored while watching like my workouts or my training. I try to show as many exercises as possible, but sometimes I don't know like if it's too much or not. But at the same time, I'm like, if you're on my channel and you're not really interested in fitness, so what are you doing on my channel? Maybe you like food, maybe you like recipes and food, and that's why you're on my channel. Sometimes I just cut like my warm-up or like my stretches or some exercises that I do. Sometimes I feel bad for cutting this from the video while I edit, so I don't know, let me know if you want to see that or not. I would be really interested like to post the whole training. I'm probably gonna film like a home workouts. Like I miss it, you know, like I miss filming those. I honestly still do some of mine. Like you can just try them here. I love like the upper body home workouts that I filmed, and also like the booty one is like burning. I swear it's like burning. Resistance bands are so underrated, so go check that out if you really want to try something to grow your glutes or like your legs. It's honestly effective. But yeah, I'm really thinking to film again like some home workouts because I've been having so much fun filming these and you love them. So yeah, let me know if you want to have some home workouts. And I know some people are still in lockdown. I feel like in Victoria in Australia some people still are, and also like in California I feel like some people are still in lockdown, so that might be useful for you. Anyway, I've been woken up so early this morning, like 6 a.m. and I haven't woken up this early in weeks, maybe more, I don't know. But it's just I'm such a morning person. I love waking up super early, then I smash my workout, I have breakfast, I just have my protein shake. The best period of my life, like the best period of my life was like a few years ago, and it was when I was waking up super early. I don't know why, it was just making me feeling like I was in a routine, I was doing a lot of things, I was feeling like more energized and so positive in the morning. Like, can you believe it? It's just like it's 9 a.m. and I've done like my workouts, and like I still have a big part of my mornings to do things that I want to do. I don't want that waking up early sounds like a productivity competition. It's not that. It's just taking the time by waking up early in the morning to do the things that you love and to do the things that are good for yourself. By waking up early in the morning, I take care of myself, and it's so important to take care of yourself. I swear, like by taking this time in the morning, it's just gonna make your day 10 times better. It really depends, but I just suggest you to try it. But I know some people are absolutely not for mornings. Some people really feel energized at the end of the day or at night, and if it's your case, then that's fine, because you can do a lot at night, and like you have like ideas and you take care of yourself at night, like you go to the gym at 6 or 7, I don't know, like things like that. But for me, like I'm so tired at the end of the day. I'm not a night person. I'm not like, yeah, I'm not productive. I'm not feeling good. Like going to the gym at 6 p.m. is just making me like, ugh. Anyway, I just received a few packages, so I'm probably just gonna show you what I got. So I received this kind of kitchen utensil set, and there's like a bunch, and I absolutely love like the little like kind of pink whisk. It's so cute. Like I honestly, when I saw this, I told my boyfriend, I was like, oh, I imagine myself like I'm making muffins with like this pink thing. And then I ordered this kind of like glass containers. It's like a set of 18 pieces. I don't know, in the US and even like in Canada, I know it's kind of easy to find this. Like you go to Walmart or you go to Costco and you have like so many things to organize, and like containers and jars. Like you have like those ball jars for nothing, like nothing. It's like so cheap. I wanted something in glass so it lasts longer, and like you don't have so many chemicals when you put like your food in it. Super useful for like when I prep quinoa or like my veggies or like my snack, my sweets, protein bowls. I just put them in this. This year it's my mission to have a really organized fridge. You know, like this kind of Pinterest fridges. I want that. I want a fridge that looks like this. So it does look like this, and you have like the smaller ones inside. Like here you have a smaller one. Also, I found my old iPad like really old, and so I decided to put some books in so I can just read. Like it's so much easier. So yeah, I just have like some nutrition, some like Pilates and like anatomy kind of thing. This is more like business kind of books. Anyway, I'm just gonna start a new one. Yeah, I think I might start this one because I'm so interested in nutrition, guys. I love it. So for my lunch, I'm just gonna make a sort of salad with like tomato and baby spinach, and I'm just gonna add some feta cheese and a little bit like of hemp seeds, nutritional yeast, so it's like a really nutrient dense salad kind of thing. And then for my carbs, I'm just gonna add a sweet potato. My tip with sweet potato, because I just don't want to roast them like in the oven, like just for one potato. I'm really lazy to do that, so I'm just gonna cook them in the microwave. But I know it's not the best. Like I barely use microwave. I don't like using microwave to eat my stuff, but yeah, for sweet potatoes sometimes I'm really lazy, so I would just make it in the microwave. And then for my protein, I'm just gonna make some eggs. I'm just gonna scramble them with a little bit of plant-based milk. Yeah, that's just gonna be like a nourishing bowls, like plate kind of thing with what I have on hands, and like kind of quick and easy but still really nourishing and nutrient dense meal. I try to have like really raw food, like my veggies are raw, like uncooked, my sweet potato is uncooked, my eggs as well, like I cook everything. So I don't really enjoy transformed food. Like it's not good for your body. It lacks all of the nutrients that you have on raw food or food that you cook yourself. I just received the best package ever. Like, I ordered a few things for our new apartment because yeah, I just want like to have useful and convenient kitchenware, like to be able to cook and to make coffee and stuff like this. It's a milk frother, so it just like makes your milk kind of creamy and like a cloudy kind of thing for like coffee and stuff, for making lattes, because I do make a lot of lattes. So you can do it with a French press. Just click here. I show how to make it with a video. The milk has to be hot before like you kind of froth it. The camera doesn't even do it justice, but look at that. Next time I will try it with like actual coffee, because I felt like when you see the frothiness going into the coffee, you can really see how frothy it is. I'm so happy. I'm gonna make so many lattes and like with cinnamon on top. Oh my god, that would be so good. So we're gonna make some smoothies and we're gonna just like press some orange juice first. And I wanted to make pineapple and orange juice, but Anthony wanted to make blueberries and orange, so we're gonna go for that. And we're just using like a juicer for the oranges, and then we're just gonna use like a blender for making the smoothie. So, are you converted to plant-based milk or not yet?
Yeah, kind of.
Kind of? Okay, so it's already at the max, but you can add a bit like of frozen fruits.
Yeah, let's leave that loose.
It looks like papaya smoothie, but it's not. So we're adding a bit of charcoal because like it helps when you're a bit bloated. No. I mean, we're bloated, but like...
Dude, we have a stomach ache. We've had a stomach ache for like 5 days straight. That's what I call sick, alright? Fucking sick.
No, that's true. Okay.
I'm sick of life.
So this is a little tip, like if you're like having stomach cramps.
So I put 4 because we're 2?
Yeah, you can put 4.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's my kind of barbecue.
So it's his birthday soon, and we were waiting for a package.
Damn. Oh, it's from Spike!
Yeah, it's
No
from
way.
Spike.
But I didn't even know that he would remember that it's my birthday because I didn't tell him, I think.
He did!
And there's the Game of Thrones thing. Oh, wow, okay.
It's coming right from LA.
The devil is in the details. So we're the 21st of August, it's my birthday. I didn't open it 2 days earlier, Spike, I swear. Oh!
Is it the Lord of Rings?
Of course it's the Lord of the Rings. Okay, so I see the reference there.
So it's 7 p.m. now and we're just about to make dinner, and we were craving burgers because we've been watching YouTube videos about the best Australian burgers, and so now we're just craving one. But Anthony just went like to the shop to buy some of the ingredients, but yeah, other than that we've just been a bit lazy. Like we've been watching YouTube and just chilling. Like he was really tired, so we pretty much just like chilled together.
I'm the provider.